wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, quick one before we jump finally into the hands-on. We get very important thing where we get for deal with on reload. Just like I be measure na the view model, we get also to call list. Within a list, in the simplest definition, na a container where can hold multiple records or items in way of the same type. What this is talk about? If to a layman understanding, if for example we get number, not to the same like we get text. So if we get a list of numbers, a bunch of numbers, now one segment, we not win more than one. We can define a list. A list can hold more than 2, 3, 4, 5 records of the same similar type. If you read Naya, you will understand better. Then I want also for let me understand one of the most beautiful parts of a list. A list don't only hold a collection of number, but the position inside the numbers and for example, we decide say we'll get apples or we'll get pencils inside one basket or in a particular basket. Each one will put in an own position. This will put in an own position. This will put in an own position. Guess what? Them positions and they will put them say for accessing there. That position which I'll put in, now we call index for in relation to list. So similarly, if we take a look at the example now, just take a look at now. We create a list of integer of numbers. How? For creator, you see the word list, you see this syntax, you put int there, they declare the variable name when are numbers. Meaning if for all different numbers. So you don't declare this list now, you create that list, then after you want to add the number there inside that list now, you want to add number 5, number 10, number 15. So this is the way this for Adam. Now yeah. Then after the addition, you also get how for retrieve them. We'll get for retrieve. You get for see how this more now we'll get for can make use of because I retrieve they can retrieve from the database. So as a result, they see this brackets now yeah. This one I will use for retrieve. So if for example this index 0, this is index 1, this is index 2. The position outside and day. We don't add 5 index as index 0. This index 1, this index 2. So if let's say retrieve 15, what you put there, na index 2 they put automatically 15 they come. Exactly na in what it's for talk about. If you read so far, even the example we are getting here, I say the list na here we use na for the whole integer, and we use 3 of the numbers here will add, that's 5, 10, 15. But what can happen, we want for access 5. If we want for access 5, what should they use? Now this bracket will they use. After we put 0 inside the bracket, automatically we will access 5. As I've explained exactly. So for now we get the first number and the second number from the list. Now then we will go for use. You see, I even for make a measure on how this is a console application actually, a console, and a C# code is. But whether it's been Java, Python, C#, the concepts all not the same. List generally. So now let me go directly to the application now. We explain as we do from the previous application. Slide when a 15 will be used. Good. But before I want to show you how list operates actually. Just take a look at now. One for retrieve a record. If I click this one, I not only want for let it count for me the ID, because if I just hit 29, I don't know what's it at 29. So I need the ID plus the name of the branch. The branch ID plus the name. So now only until I put that inside a container where I call list, na im dey able give me the opportunity for count this record this way. So note, okay, for count am. If I click this one now, wetin I dey do? I dey create wetin I in the function I do a split. I tell am say split into record there for me. But when the split there, take index 0. Wetin na index 0? Index 0 na 29. So if I dey click this function now, e dey discard all in then two things there. E discard this semicolon, e discard all right there. Then e take for me only index 0. If I click load now, automatically na 29 e look for on the database and retrieve for me all the record there wey 29 gets. See how e dey retrieve. You don see? Na only the record there wey 29 gets and e dey retrieve. Now let me go. Watch the next video and see how they retrieve them now.